So the hair I'm going to be using in today's video is from VOMELLA hair on Amazon. I got their new butterfly locks. So this is a 20 inches and in color 1B. So you guys, this distress locks is very light. This is quite big and it's very light, you guys. This is their newest locks and I got this in 7 packs and in 20-inch long. So when you break it out, this is how it looks like. This is so beautiful, you guys. This is not your regular butterfly locks. This is their newest and it is so distressed and beautiful, you guys. So yeah, before we jump into this tutorial, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, feel free to hit on that red subscribe button right there and turn on all post notification, you guys. So I'm going to be leaving all the details regarding this hair down on the description below. My hair is freshly washed and I'm taking this black Jamaica castor oil to moisturize my hair. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust. So taking my favorite edge control, which is the olive oil edge control, I'm going to be patting my hair and also using that edge control to smoothen my parts. Does that even make sense? Also, you guys are going to take it just like that. So for the braid pattern, I'm going to be using the illusion braid method. Like, you guys, who doesn't like to cheat? Like, every one of us literally cheat now and then. Like, I always use this crochet braid method and I've been gotten a lot of compliments. Like, you can hardly tell I'm having a crochet braid on. Like, it is so amazing, you guys. So that's the same method I'm going to be using on this hairstyle. So now I'm braiding my hair. What you want to do is that you don't want to braid too tight, because after installing your crochet braid, your hair is going to looks even tighter. Like, it is going to be more tighter than it looks like now. And another thing I'm going to say is that before starting to cut your braids and braid your hair, you want to make sure you first of all check the size of the crochet braids you're going to be installing. The smaller the braid, the smaller the you want to cut the size of your hair, if that makes sense, you guys. The bigger your crochet braids, the bigger you want to part your hair. So now I'm oiling my scalp using this my black castor miracle oil. That's because I don't always like my scalp feeling so dry, and this also stop my hair from inching. So now just applying my edge control while I braid my hair. So I'm gonna allow you guys to watch through this process and I'll be right back. Feel free to subscribe. All right. We will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, So after braiding the front of your hair, it should look like this.
And then we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, go, go. Let us heal and grow. You won't be alone. We're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life. We're still breathing, standing up. Everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing, standing up, everybody's gonna see it.
So now that I'm done with this braid method, this is how it looks like, you guys. So you can see that I have individual braids around my head while I connect them to my cornrows, and now it's time for the installation. So like I said before, this hair is from VOMELLA on Amazon, and this is so distressed, you guys. These are 20-inch butterfly locks, and one thing I like about this hair is that it is really light and the loop are very big. Like, you cannot install this hair with a smaller loop, you guys, because you will just kind of mess up the butterfly effects of your crochet braids. So I was so impressed to see that the loop of the hair is quite big. Look at how beautiful that looks. So in case you didn't got that one, take your crochet hook, pass it through your natural hair plait, put in your lock the close the crochet pin, and then crochet it through your natural hair, you guys, just as I'm doing right here. So I'll just allow you to watch through this process, you guys. It's just a normal crochet method. So just watch me as I do this.
And then we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, go, go. Let us heal and grow. You won't be alone. We're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life. We're still breathing, standing up. Everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
So I'm going to repeat the same method at the back of my hair. I know a lot of you will be like, why is she always doing individual braids at the back of her hair and then connecting it to cornrows? Like, you guys, you're going to find out after I might have finished the installation. All right, just stay tuned and feel free to subscribe and turn on all post notification, you guys. Support your girl.
Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing, standing up. Everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
Wahoo! Are you getting this right now? Like, even if I'm having a crochet braid on and I put my hair in a bun or in a ponytail, people can never thought it is crochet, you guys. So you can see why I always love to, you know, round my hair with individual braids. So you want to make sure you open up your loop, like the loop of the hair, very big, just to make sure you didn't mess up the distress effect of this hair. All right. So you guys subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is right there on the screen. So just type beauty by Ella02 on Instagram and your girl is gonna pop up. All right, give me a follow, you guys, and let's be friends.
If we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
Again, I'm taking my black castor miracle oil to oil my scalp. Like you guys, I always don't like my scalp feeling so dry, and this is very, very important if you have an inching scalp, you guys. Like this is just going to cool everything down and you're going to love it. Like seriously, this has been helping me a lot. Okay.
To show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost,
So now that I'm done with the installation, this is how my hair is all looking like.
rise up from
Flawless, right? This is so beautiful, you guys. Just imagine if you see me on the way rocking this hair. If you haven't watched this tutorial, could you have thought it is crochet? I guess no. So I ended up using 6.5 packs of hair. Each pack of hair contained 12 strands, and I ended up using 6.5 packs. So right here I'm just going to show you few of my favorite styles that I love to always style my braids and locks and all of that, you guys. So just watch as I do this. After this I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges, and that will be all for today's video, you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit on that red subscribe button down below, turn on all post notification, like, share, comment, do all those good stuff to this video. And yeah, don't also forget to give me a follow on Instagram and on my Facebook page and also on TikTok, you guys. So give me a follow. All right, till next time, I will see you all. Always stay beautiful, and bye for now. I love you guys so much. Bye.